First, before we start the video, I just want to say I had a great day today. Mr. and Mrs. Robinson, it was certainly a pleasure to meet you face to face and have lunch with you today. Talk about Charlotte, talk about life, talk about your move to Charlotte. It's always awesome when I can meet people from YouTube here in Charlotte, and you guys were absolutely amazing. It was a lunch that I didn't know that I personally needed. So thank you very much. It was a pleasure to meet you both. And I can't wait to come to Chicago and hang out with you guys as well. I'll see you sometime in October. Now, guys, listen, if you're new to the channel, my name is Sean Gerald. Today, we're going to be talking about Charlotte's country club scene. It is booming, and Carmel Country Club is leading the pack in a very big way. We're going to break down the numbers and see what it means for the country club industry moving forward. Stay tuned, my friends. Let's get into it.
Sean Gerald, Charlotte's new construction expert, helping you find the best dirt.
All right, friends, if you're new to the channel, my name is Sean Gerald. I'm a local real estate agent. I am an Airbnb host. I am a brokerage owner. We've got about 220 bright agents at our firm. Yeah, I'm going to work with you when you come, my team and I. Mostly me. You'll get me. People always ask that question. But guys, I absolutely love real estate. Oh yeah, I'm a Charlotte native. You're not going to find many Charlotte natives around like me in the area. You're not going to find many Charlotte natives selling real estate on YouTube like myself. I grew up here, born and bred. I am a true unicorn to this city. I'm also a United States Marine. Thank you for your service out there, guys. If you did serve in the military, really appreciate that. And it doesn't matter if you're moving here in 9 days, 9 weeks, or 9 months. I am here to serve you. Listen, I'm not just a YouTube personality like some of my colleagues out here, guys. I actually sell real estate. I operate in the top 0.5% in North and South Carolina, the top 1.5% in the country. Yeah, I sell a lot of houses. And my team and I, my God, we've sold more than 1,000 homes combined over the last 2 years. Personally, I've helped close to 400 people move to the greater Charlotte metro from all around the world. I've got one closing at the end of this month, coming all the way from Malaysia. I know you guys are going to watch the video. I'm excited for you too as well. And it was awesome to meet you guys when we finally met. And I can't wait to meet you guys out there as well. Today, though, we're going to be talking about the country club scene. Yeah, it's a little bit different video than what I normally do, but I found it very interesting. It popped up in the Charlotte Business Journal, and it was talking about the top nonprofit country clubs in the greater Charlotte metro. In 2023, Carmel Country Club brought in over $32.3 million in revenue, making it the #1 nonprofit country club in the Charlotte area by a wide margin. That's a 27.6% increase from 2022. And if you look back at 2020, the revenue has a staggering growth of 66%. Okay. Expenses did rise too, from $27 million in 2022 to $31 million in 2023. But in the growth, revenue shows the strength of Carmel's membership base and demand for the lifestyle these clubs provide. Now, coming in second, we did have Charlotte Country Club, posted a $24.6 million in revenue, a 6.4% jump from the year before, and their expenses came in at $22.7 million. They're raking this money in, but they're pouring it back into these country clubs, making them stunning. And they are absolutely beautiful. If you're a golfer, you like country clubs, you want to just be around the money, you got to get a membership in one of these clubs, guys. All right. Myers Park Club also had a huge year, with revenue climbing 24% to $20 million. Of course, their expenses rose as well with that kind of membership. But overall, the momentum, guys, is undeniable. Other country clubs are seeing impressive gains as well. They got Raintree, Cedarwood, River Hills, and Lake Hickory, which is beautiful. All posted double-digit growth. Even smaller clubs like Rolling Hills and Pine Lake saw jumps of over 20% year over year. But not all is smooth selling. Carolina Golf Club, for example, grew revenue to $5.6 million, but expenses jumped even higher. On top of that, they're actually facing a lawsuit tied to a $23 million renovation project. So not every club's growth story comes without challenges. And if you're looking Carolina Golf Club, this is directly from the Charlotte Business Journal. Don't come for me, all right? I'm just giving the facts out here, guys. But hopefully, you guys are going to rebound and get those numbers up. I hope you do well in your lawsuit, okay? I hope you do. Guys, what's driving all of this? A big piece is the pandemic surge in golf interest. Clubs gained members at record levels, and many of those wait lists are still very strong. Across the U.S., nonprofit clubs saw median revenue climb 23% between 2020 and 2023. But from 2022 to 2023, we did see a slight dip in the national median. That signals the days of explosive growth may be behind us. Instead, clubs are settling into a new normal. Steady revenue, higher dues, and more focus on amenities and member experience. Experts say it's not about being the most efficient, okay? It's about being the most inviting. Members don't join because the club runs like a factory. They join because of the lifestyle, the experiences, and the sense of community. Friends, looking forward, we're probably going to see more investment in new amenities, renovations, and new club models. You can expect more destination-style clubs outside of city centers as well, and a mix of very, very exclusive properties competing for high-net-worth members, while more casual, younger, friendly public facilities start to rise. Bottom line, the Charlotte Country Club market is thriving. If you like to be outdoors, the weather's great. Country clubs could be the thing for you, but the competition is getting very fierce. Clubs that anticipate what members want, whether that's pickleball, wellness centers, or new dining concepts, will stay ahead. Carmel Country Club may have topped the charts this year, but the bigger story is the health of the entire industry in the greater Charlotte metro and nationwide. Now, what do you think? Are we headed for continued growth, or are we nearing the peak of the country club wave? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear. Are you willing to spend the money to join one of these exclusive country clubs? This is where the deals are made. After all, my firm is called Lifestyle. We love lifestyle. Sean Gerald, Lifestyle International Realty. Give me a call. My information is going to be in that box below. 704-340-3822. I am at your service. I can't wait to hear from you. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll talk to y'all soon.